This is a video about equivalent fractions. What do I mean by equivalent fractions? Well, I think you'll probably agree with me that a half is the same as two quarters. It's the same bit of the pie. This one's harder. A half is the same as two quarters, is the same as 3/6. So these different numbers are representing the same thing. And if you look at the numbers that are involved here, look at how I've gotten the change in the numbers from a half to 2/4. Well, here I've multiplied this by 2 to get that. And I've also multiplied this by 2 to get that. And look at the change from a half to 6. I've multiplied by 3 here. And I've taken the 1 and I've multiplied that by 3 as well. So the rule is, if you multiply the top and the bottom of the fraction by the same thing, you don't change the fraction. You don't change the value of the fraction. So we'll see some more without the pies. So 3/5, well, let's do something. Let's multiply this by 4. Is how many 20ths? Well, I've multiplied by 4 to get from 5 to 20. So if I multiply by 4 here, I get 12. So 3/5 is the same as 12 20ths. We can also do this the other way around. Suppose I showed you 28/32. Well, I can think to myself, well, hang on. I can divide this by 4, can't I? I get 8. And I can divide this by 4. I get 7. Well, the other way to think of it is, I could have got from 7/8 to 28/32 by doing multiply by 4. And multiply by 4 that way. We call this process cancelling down. We can cancel fractions down. So something similar, 18/45. Well, I reckon I can get 3's into 45. And I can get 3's into 18 as well. Okay. Divide by 3. Divide by 3. But then when I look at this, I can think, oh, hang on a minute. I can get 3's into both of those as well. I can do that again. I can get 3's into the 15 and I can get 3's into the 6. So again, divide by 3. Divide by 3. As long as you divide the top and the bottom by the same thing, that's how you cancel down fractions. All of these fractions are what we call equivalent fractions, and you can go either way in this chain. You can multiply that way, or you can divide that way. They're all the same. That's equivalent fractions, multiplying them through and cancelling them down.